Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi 11i, and today I'll show you a couple camera tricks that you can use. So at the first, open the camera, and when you are here I'm going to talk about the modes that we have here, and after that I'm going to talk about features that you can find in the settings. So at the first I'm going to show you the more modes, because here we can find very nice and useful features. So when you go for the more modes, we can for example find 108 megapixel mode. So take a look. When I enable this mode and take a photo, for example, of this plant, just like that. Let's catch focus here and take photo. And right now we are going to make the same photo without this mode, on the normal mode, in the standard mode. And let's take a look on the difference that we have here. So there's the photo with the normal mode, and it looks like that. Not that bad, right? But when you go for another mode, for 108 megapixel, as you can see here, we can spot definitely more details, and we can zoom in much closer. So if you want to get more details on your photo, definitely try to use 108 megapixel mode. What we have here also, there's the vlog mode. At the first, this mode is not activated, so we have to tap on it and then download the external files. After that you will be able to enter here, and as you can see, we got here a lot of modes. A few of them are already here, but you can also download additional ones by tapping just like that, and as you can see, it will be downloaded in some moment. Right now it's ready, so we can apply it. There's the preview how it looks. Of course, I'm in the front of the camera, so I cannot go outside and show you how it looks, but I prepare the two shots with rhythm and probably with activists. So take a look how it looks. It's probably these two, right? So take a look. There's the first one. So as you can see here, we have cool video moves, so we don't have to make the edits on our videos. We can use this mode and post it straight to the Instagram or TikTok or whatever you want. And there's also another one. Yeah, so as you can see, there's the different music and the different movie effects on this one. So just test all of them and tell me in the comment which one is your favorite. So yeah, that's all. We got here also the dual video mode, so we can record at the same time the video from the front and the rear camera. We can also change position of this video, so we can get front camera at the top, as you can see, and when you hit the shutter button, you can record that video just like that. And after that it looks, wait a minute, it looks like that. Shutter button, you can record that video just like that. Okay, let's delete this one. Right now let's go back for our modes. So we are in the dual video, and we get here also the clone mode. We can apply it on the video, photos, and take a look. So there it is. There's the clone of your photo. I mean this photo clone, so we can clone one person 3 times, as you can see. This is the same guy in the 3 different places, and it looks really nice. And we can also make the same on the videos, but in the video we can make the 2 clones. Take a look, it will be probably right here. Yeah. Very nice. We can make it like that. So when you enter for that mode, you got photo and video mode. You got also the freeze frame mode. So when we pick the photo, for example, you have to tap here, then put your phone into landscape mode, just like that. Then you have to find the subject. Of course, it only detects hands, part of the body. So you have to press just like that, then keep your phone in the frame, don't move it, and you know, it doesn't work that good when you don't have here the person. So for the body part, it's not good. As you can see, it doesn't catch that properly, so definitely you have to try it with person. Okay, let me leave it like that and go back, and it looks like that. So that's how we can clone, that's how we can use it. Let's stop it. And what do you get more on the modes? We get here, where it was, there was the parallel world, and probably in the movie effects. Yeah, so there we get the movie effects, and we get the parallel world, for example. So you have to click your shutter like that and take a look how great it looks. You have to, of course, press your shutter, and after that the video will be taken. You can save by tapping here. We get the night time lapse, time freeze, slow shutter, or magic zoom. That's very nice. Take a look. You have to find your subject. For example, let's make it like that. Or let's take something smaller. I think this card. And you can see when we are going to move our device. It lost the focus, but let's try again. When we move our smartphone, just like that, the focus is still, the zoom is still on our SD card. So that looks crazy, as you can see. That's great. Okay, and what we have here also, there is the long exposure mode, panorama mode, time lapse or slow motion, but they are very common, so I'm not going to talk about that because probably everybody know that. That modes, when you are in the photo mode, we can click and hold just like that, and when you lock your focus, you can change brightness level by swiping up or down. You can also click here and apply shutter to your photos. So there's the shutter timer, and when you set it up on the 3 seconds and hit shutter, after 3 seconds photo will be taken. When you click here, we can quickly adjust filters to our photo. Just like that. We can also use the Google Lens that we have here on the smartphone. So if you want to find something, for example this mouse, put it like that. If you got this dot, tap on the shutter, and as you can see right now our device recognized this mouse, and we got Logitech G304 light speed, very useful thing. And right now let's take a look on the settings. When you tap on the right upper corner and go for the settings, now we can find the camera watermark that we can add to our photos by enable right here. What do you have here more? So we can change the press and hold shutter button option. We can take the burst shot. We can change volume buttons function from shutter to zoom, for example, and take a look how it looks. You can smoothly zoom in by using volume up and volume down button. To 10x. And we can also click and hold shutter to take a burst shot. Take a look how many photos we take. 30 photos. And here we can store all of them. When you go back to the settings, we can also enable or disable shutter sound. And the customize, we can change the sound of our shutter. I just mute sound. So there it is. And I think that's all from the interesting options. So If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and of course subscribe to our channel.